Hello friends and welcome back to my wonderful channel, and today we are opening up Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. So we're gonna save this for tomorrow. But today we're gonna only open this two. Llama Bean, Llama, Fluff Bean, Llama Bean, Fluff Bean. Where's my crazy little llama set today? Let's go look for them. Llama Bean, Llama. LlamaBean and FluffBean are here, guys. LlamaBean and FluffBean. What the heck are we gonna do in this video today? Oh, Llama! Oh, Fluff! Okay, guys, they remembered. So, yeah, we're gonna open up Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. So, LlamaBean and FluffBean, sit patiently here. There we go. Like that. Oh, FluffBean's gonna fall. Oh, oh, little FluffBean. That's okay. Let's let her sit here. Okay, guys, let's start opening. So we're gonna first open Kinder Surprise. So if you check out my last video, yeah, it's the same Kinder Surprise egg and Kinder Joy egg. Yeah, it's the same edition, Christmas and Natoons. But the only difference is that we also bought another two. So yeah, we're gonna only open two today and this other two tomorrow. Okay, let me put the camera up so you can see. Okay, proper view. Okay, guys, let's open. Wow, this is so satisfying, and you gotta try this, guys. Unwrapping Kinder Surprise egg and twisting the push pop is so satisfying. You gotta try that yourself, okay? Okay. It's not shaking. There's no sound. What's this? I think this is a camel. Let's see if this is camel. No, I don't think it's a camel. It looks like a llama, like LlamaBean and FluffBean, but let me check. I never seen an orange llama before. Have you guys? Cause I don't. Okay, guys, let's go check. Oh, it's a kangaroo. Okay. At first, I thought it was a camel because of the color, and I thought it was a llama because of the ears. Okay. Step one. It's so confusing. Where are the pieces? Put it like this. And a bit closer so you can see how it's done. Okay. Come on, there we go, there we go. Stick it in. Insert. Come on. Never give up, guys. We never give up. Dang it. But of course, I'm not gonna say I don't like today because, you know, we just bought these. And I should say I do like today. Yeah, I actually do like today. Dang it! I do like today! You get that? LlamaBean and FluffBean watch. Okay, next step. What's this? Is that the head? Okay, wait. No, this one. Is this right? Is this right? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's no. This can't fit, guys. Oh yes, it can. Just never give up. Never give up. Come on. Okay, let's just remove this piece first. Come on. Yeah, just slide it like that. Now put the tail, the back. Oh, it's not fitting. Guys, seriously, it's not fitting. Oh, I just have to move it up. Okay, like this. Okay, there we go. But where are we gonna... Dang it! Try not to say I don't like today. Okay. Love is just a history that naming you. Guys, do you watch Wednesday? Then listen to this song called Bloody Mary. It's so cool. Another, wait, another piece? No. Like this. There we go. Okay, now let's do this. Move it upward. There we go. This is not perfect, guys. Whoever made this toy didn't calculate which angle is supposed to have the space. It's so useless. Oh, I just have to move it down, I guess. Oh. Ugh. Come on, try so. You're so hard to build, kangaroo. Come on.